This picture was probably taken in a park. A group of young children and an older person are walking up some steps of a bridge. Along each side of the steps, there are red hand railings to prevent falling. In the background, there are lots of trees and some stone and wooden structures. From the design, I guess they are probably in an Asian country. I can't see the children's faces, but they are probably happy to be out in the park.
Begin reading now.